Changing your phone number on Instagram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. On your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Edit profile. In the settings menu, tap on account, then select personal information. Here, you will find the option to edit your phone number. Step 5. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number and tap next. You may need to verify the new number through a confirmation code sent via SMS. Follow the prompts to complete the update. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be successfully changed on your Instagram account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Instagram's Help Center for further assistance.